Hi, I'm Bry, and this is my DIY. Today I'm going to be working on the Genie 6072 side mount garage door opener. I was having some problems with mine. I had to consistently pull the cord in order to get it to open and close. I called Genie support and they sent me a new control board. So I'm going to go through installing the new control board and seeing if I can get this thing working properly. Alright, here we have the Genie 6072 side mount garage door opener. I went ahead and took it down and I'm going to go ahead and open it up, take a look at it. So again, what was happening with mine is I had to constantly pull the manual release here at the bottom in order for it to do anything for me. It kept just malfunctioning. So what I was told when I called Genie is that they had me send a picture of it, of the internal mechanism, to see if this gear right here, it was broken at all, which I hope you can kind of see in there. And they said they didn't see any damage, so they sent me a new control board. Now, the new control board is here, and it looks really just like a motherboard. So if you've ever done any kind of computer work, it's pretty straightforward. Everything's labeled black, red. You got your ground, which is going to be your green, and everything's here. So you just kind of plug and play it. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a shot. Open this up, and let's see here. Turn this. Okay, there we go. All right, so we got the first connection here. Just going to go ahead and remove it. Second connection here might help to have like a screwdriver or something to pry that one out. It's a little stubborn. It's a lot stubborn. Okay, almost there. There we go. That second cable's out. Okay, now we got the ground wire. Let's see if we can just pull that off. Probably gonna need a pair of pliers actually. Just a second. Alright, I grabbed a pair of pliers. Go ahead and get this green wire off, or the ground wire. There it goes. Okay, I'm gonna try the red wire with my hand. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take the pliers to that one. Okay, and we got the black wire next. Okay, got those all off. Looks like we got full separation on the board now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the screws out. That'll allow the board to come out. So it's got, looks like it has 4 screws here. And I'm actually just going to do it by hand, just so I don't over crank it or possibly damage the board. Well, it's really important when you're working on computers, so I'm going to go ahead and do that here as well. Throw one out, and it's the last one here. I think the screwdriver's not quite the right size for this, but nonetheless, it worked. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this motherboard out, this control board. See if there's anything else holding it in. Okay, there's the fourth one here. Okay, let's see here. Trying to see if there's anything else that's holding it in here. Missing another. Oh, I'm missing a 5th screw right there in the middle. Okay. Okay, get that screw out of the middle. And there we go. It lifts right on out. Okay, so this is my bad board. Don't see anything obvious on it that looks bad on it. So, but we'll go ahead and do the replacement anyway. Okay. Make sure our screw holes are lined up. Just gonna go ahead and put them all in by hand real quick. I'm going to go get something else to get these in a little bit better. 1 second. Alright, it actually looks like it's the same size as like attachment onto my impact, so I'm just going to use that to get it in place a little bit quicker. Alright, so we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws all in, all nice and tight. We're going to go ahead and start connecting the wires back up. So the ground goes to green. Alright. We have our red wire going to our red wire. We have our black wire going to our black wire. Okay, and we have our communication wire, power wires and everything here. Go ahead, put them all in. Okay, that's all there is to it there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close this thing up. I'm going to go ahead and put my 2 screws in on the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. And I'll let you know how it works out. Thank you. So I went ahead and remounted the Genie 6072H-O side mount garage door opener. Seems to be functioning fine. I had to do a reprogram on it, but beyond that, it's working fine. So the replacement of the main board seems to be a success for me. All right, thank you. I hope you like my video, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you.